What's going on, folks? Welcome to the Trade Well podcast, brought to you by Trade Well Management. I am your host, Donovan Marquez, the podcast where we discuss everything trading these financial markets, as well as acting as a personal trading journey and road to profitability. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you enjoy the show. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Trade Well podcast. I'm Donovan Marquez, and today we're going to talk about something that's often overlooked in trading. It's super important, guys, managing your emotions. Day trading is a roller coaster. Prices go up, they go down, and that can eventually mess with your head if you're not careful. So in this episode, we're going to show you how to stay calm, avoid emotional mistakes, and keep a clear head when you're trading, guys. By the end of this episode, you'll know how to handle the stress of trading, stay disciplined, and avoid those impulsive decisions that can wreck your account. So let's get into it. To kick things off, let's talk about why emotions are such a big deal in trading. Now, if you've ever been in the markets or you're thinking about getting into the markets, I'm going to go ahead and lay this out for you. When you're watching a stock or currency move quickly, it's easy to get emotional. You might feel excited when the prices are rising or anxious when they start falling. That's normal. But here's the thing. Trading based on emotions usually leads to bad decisions. For example, if you're too excited, you might buy at the top, thinking the price will just keep going up. Or if you're too scared, you might sell at a loss, panicking as the price drops, only to see it bounce back later. These emotional reactions can lead to big mistakes. Trust me, guys, I've made them. The key is to stay cool and stick to your plan no matter what's happening in the market. Now, let's talk about some common emotional traps traders tend to fall into. Number one, and I'm sure y'all have heard this throughout your life at some point, is FOMO, or fear of missing out. This happens when you see a stock shooting up and you think, I have to jump in now or I'll miss out. But more often than not, you end up buying too late right before the price drops. Number two, revenge trading. This is when you try to make up for a loss by jumping into another trade right away, hoping to win it back. Usually, this leads to more losses because you're not thinking clearly. And number three, overconfidence. After winning trades or even winning a few trades, it's easy to feel invincible. But making overconfident mistakes can make you take bigger risks than you should. Remember, even the best traders have losses, so it's important to stay humble and stick to your risk management rules, guys. Super, super important. Now, so how do you keep your emotions in check when trading? Well, I'll go ahead and give you a few tips on that as well, to kind of help you ease the process. So let's go through it. Number one, have a plan. Before you start trading, know exactly when you'll get in and when you'll get out of a trade. This takes the guesswork out of it and helps you avoid making impulsive decisions. Number two, use stop losses. We talked about this in previous episodes. Stop losses automatically exit your trade if the price moves against you. This can take a lot of the emotion out of trading because you know your losses are controlled, because there will be losses, guys. But as long as they're controlled, you should be fine. Another big one that I myself struggle with I'm being super honest. Another one I completely struggle with, take breaks. If you're feeling overwhelmed, it's okay to step away for a bit. Trading can be super intense, and sometimes you'll just need a few minutes to clear your head. Take a walk. You know what I mean? Now, number four, and I think we've all struggled with number four at some point, accept losses. Remember, losing trades are a part of the game. Don't take them personally. The goal is to manage your losses, not avoid them completely, guys. That's a big one that a lot of people struggle with. They feel like they should never have a losing day. It's going to happen. You're not going to win every time, okay? Just, I have to drill that one in, and I like to hone down in on that one so that people know what to expect in reality. But that wraps up today's episode. Managing your emotions is key to becoming a successful day trader, guys. If you can stay calm and stick to your plan, you'll avoid making big emotional mistakes and improve your trading over time, which is the goal. Okay? In the next episode, we're going to dive into setting realistic goals for your day trading. How much should you really expect to make as a beginner? And we'll break them all down for you next week. As always, guys, if you enjoyed this episode, make sure to subscribe and leave a review and share it with anyone learning how to trade. And don't forget to reach out to us on social media if you have any questions or you want to share your thoughts. I'm open, guys, to episode suggestions. You want to share your thoughts on the markets, your thoughts on trading, even if you think it's a scam. Whatever you want to talk about, guys, I'm all here for it. But as always, guys, stay sharp, stay steady, and trade well. We'll see y'all on the next one.